Good afternoon. The state is now using COVID test kits that give results in minutes, but they come with a big disclaimer. Here's News 13's Gabrielle Burkhart.
New Mexico nursing homes are some of the first to receive a new batch of rapid point-of-care antigen test kits, but the state says they won't take the place of the current testing strategy.
Ease of use, reliable results, simplicity. That's the diagnostic experience using the BD Veritor Plus system.
Rapid antigen testing kits like this one for COVID-19 were just distributed to all 71 of New Mexico's nursing home facilities.
And we've been working together with the nursing facilities in order to determine the best way to utilize those tests.
In late August, the Trump administration announced it would deploy 150 million rapid point-of-care antigen tests to the country's vulnerable populations. The rapid test manufacturers, which were granted emergency use authorization by the FDA, promise quick results.
3 drops and 15 minutes is all it takes.
But they come with a word of caution from health experts.
We know in asymptomatic patients, they're not at all suited for that sort of testing and should be highly avoided.
Health officials say they aren't as reliable as the gold standard PCR deep nasal swab tests for COVID-19 and shouldn't be used as a standalone testing strategy.
The point of care tests are going to be used in addition to what we're doing now.
Secretary for the state's Aging and Long-Term Services Department, Katrina Hotram Lopez, says with an upcoming flu season, rapid testing will come in handy with nursing home staff.
Because staff are the one routinely bringing it in. Those point of care tests should be utilized as a layer of protection for all residents and staff in that facility.
Now, rapid testing strategies are also being utilized among athletes. Whether the state will expand the rapid antigen testing is unclear at this point. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, Gabby. Now, nursing homes were given the first rounds of these antigen tests. If they want to buy more, each new testing kit costs about $25 to $30.